everyone, it's Margot at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a preview of what's inside this quilt. It's called Love Notes by Moda Fabrics, and it is made by Lella Boutique, who I just love her fabric because she has the most beautiful cabbage roses in her prints. And her prints are so nice and fun. So this is a nice quilt that size is 72 by 72. It's a nice size square that you can make for your loved one. It's got this beautiful dove as the centerpiece of the block with hearts surrounding it. So what a cute quilt this would make for anyone that you love. So let's open it up, this Love Notes quilt, and see what's inside. So first of all, we have got the pattern by Lella Boutique. She does a great job with all of her instructions with colored pictures of how to make the quilt. And then next we have the wonderful fabric that goes in this quilt. And I'm telling you, this is just beautiful, beautiful fabric. Let's see what we got here. We have a nice Bella Solid in beige for the back. We've got this beautiful Bella Solid that's actually the background for the doves. We've got a heart fabric. We've got a herringbone fabric in two colorways in both beige and green. And then a lot of the greens and florals and pinks and corals that go in her with the hearts that are pieced around the outside of the dove blocks. So you can see these are hearts that are pieced all the way around the dove blocks with the dove blocks in the center. This is a completely pieced quilt. It has no applique involved in it at all. And I think you will love making this. It's a beginner quilt kit and a lot of fun to make. Happy quilting!